Hello everyone. I hope you guys are safe and enjoying with your families at home. So prelims are approaching, and with that your stress level is also increasing day by day, I guess. Just around 3.5 months are left. So just pull up your sleeves, start reading, start learning. And yes, learning art and culture is a very tough task. I can very well understand that. So I am Purti Garg, a national memory champion, and I'll help you learn art and culture very easily, very easily. मोस्टली स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं, आर्ट एंड कल्चर को इग्नोर कर देते हैं जस्ट बिकॉज इट रिक्वायर्स लॉट ऑफ टाइम, एंड फिर हमें याद भी नहीं रहता और हमें ये लगता है कि पता नहीं क्वेश्चन किस तरह का आएगा. बट सी स्किपिंग अ एंटायर सब्जेक्ट इज नॉट अ गुड आइडिया. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट यू कि जो कुछ टॉपिक्स हम कर सकते हैं जिसपे क्वेश्चंस आते रहते हैं टाइम एंड अगेन, या फिर कुछ ऐसे टॉपिक्स तो कर ही लेते हैं जो हमें लगता है कि जो स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड है एटलीस्ट. ठीक है, कंप्लीटली स्किपिंग आर्ट एंड कल्चर इज नॉट अ गुड आइडिया. और हम मेनली क्यों स्किप करते हैं? बिकॉज वी फील कि हमें याद ही नहीं होगा. याद करेंगे भी तो भूल जाएंगे, लेकिन कितना अच्छा हो जाए अगर एक ही बार पढ़ते ही हमें याद हो जाए. एंड येस, इट्स पॉसिबल. तो आई विल हेल्प यू नॉट ओनली इन आर्ट एंड कल्चर, but also I'll help you learn other subjects as well. ठीक है, so I'll make short videos for every topic, every important topic, basically all major topics. And then all the students, it's not only for UPSC aspirants, students who are giving any kind of government exam can subscribe to this channel so that they will be notified for every video, right? So this is the very first video, and the topic that we are going to cover today is string puppets. See, puppets, there are basically 4 major types of puppets: string puppets, glove puppets, shadow puppets, and rod puppets. So I'll make videos like one by one. First, today we'll be covering string puppets. And why only string puppets also today? Because first of all, you need to understand the technique, the memory technique that I will be using. I will be using different memory techniques for learning different topics, right? So आज जो हम टेक्निक करेंगे, हम उसको धीरे धीरे चलेंगे थोड़ा, so that you get used to it. आपको एक बार वो टेक्निक पकड़ में आ जाए. And आई कैन अश्योर यू दैट इट्स वेरी इजी. आपको वो जो प्रेशर है ना, जो बार बार ये डर रहता है कि कहीं मैं भूल तो नहीं गया, हम बार बार रिवाइज करते हैं. एंड ऑल्सो क्या होता है, आधी बार तो हम रिवाइज भी नहीं कर पाते चीजें, बिकॉज वी नॉर्मली थिंक कि ओके लेट मी फर्स्ट कंप्लीट द सिलेबस, बिकॉज द सिलेबस इज सो वास्ट that we feel कि okay let's first complete the entire syllabus and then we'll come back to revision. But actually ना ही कभी syllabus खत्म होता है and ना ही कभी revision start हो पाता है. This is the problem for 90% of the students. But see, revision is the key to this exam. Okay, we need to revise what we have learned. अगर हम नहीं revise करेंगे तो naturally हम भूल जाएंगे. But अभी revision के लिए time कहाँ से लाए? Because mostly students के लिए वो revision नहीं, it's a completely another reading. हमने 2 घंटा पहली reading में लगाया था, जब हम revise करते हैं तो भी 2 ही घंटे लग जाते हैं. So that makes no sense actually, right? So with these techniques, the best part is that you can revise while bathing, while cooking, while traveling, while doing any other work. Okay, while sleeping, you just you can close your eyes and just recall that topic which you have studied with these techniques, and in a minute everything will be revised even without the books. It may sound magical or impossible to you, but it's not impossible. It is very much possible, and see, I'll demonstrate to you. I'll show how you can do that. So let's try to learn string puppets with these techniques. The first one is Kala Sutri Bahulya. Now see, can we visualize, can we imagine Kala Sutri Bahulya? No, it's quite difficult because we have never seen any such thing. But if I break it like Kala Sutri, if I say, okay, Kala, that means Kali, black, and Bahulya, that is Bahu, daughter-in-law. तो काली बहू, कैन वी इमेजिन, कैन वी विजुअलाइज काली बहू? यस. Whenever you will go outside your home, whenever you will see a dark colored lady, so you will say, oh, Kali Bahu, string puppet. Oh, now I know that it's a string puppet. So Kala Sutri Bahulya, right? So this way we'll try to learn. हम अपनी surrounding से चीजों को याद करने की कोशिश करेंगे, so that whenever we'll come across them, automatically हमारा revision हो जाएगा, right? So, and we'll try to make some funny tricks, some interesting methods, so that we do not get bored. We need to come out of this monotonous routine, and we need to have some masala in our studies, right? So, and also along with that masala, हमें बहुत जल्दी से याद भी करना है, because exams are near and we have to save time. So let's see how. So, Kala Sutri Bahulya, Kala is Kali, and Bahulya, Bahu is Bahulya is Bahu. So this is my code for Kala Sutri Bahulya. Now, Bahu means daughter-in-law. देन गॉम्बे अट्टा, गॉम्बे अट्टा को आई मेड गॉम्बे एंड गॉम्बे को आई ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड इट इनटू बॉम्बे, राइट. देन बॉमर लट्टम, लट्टम. नाउ कैन यू सी दिस लता and this M, Lata Mangeshkar. So my code for Bomalatam is Lata Mangeshkar. Now the best part is that can you visualize Bomalatam? No, but can you visualize Lata Mangeshkar? Yes. Whenever you will hear any song of Lata Mangeshkar, naturally it will strike you. Oh, Lata Mangeshkar, Bomalatam, that means string puppet. So this is the beauty of these techniques, right? Then the next one is Gopalila Kundhe. Kundhe means doll in Odissi. So I made the code as doll. And cut Putli. Can you see this Putli? So Putli is our eyeball. So the codes are Kali Bahu, Bombay, Lata Mangeshkar, doll and Putli. Now what we'll do with these codes is that we'll make a story out of it. And the funnier the story, the easier it is to retain it, right? हम movies देखते हैं, हम movies क्यों नहीं भूलते? Because we can visualize that, we can see that, right? और जो भी ज़्यादा comedy या ज़्यादा funny parts होते हैं वो हमें ज़्यादा अच्छे से याद रहते हैं. Same way we'll use it in our studies. We'll try to make it something very interesting, something little funny, right? So I'll make a story for you like Kali Bahu. So I'll imagine that, okay, this is Kali Bahu and her husband. This is her husband. Okay, Kali Bahu and her husband. Now we are learning string puppets. So we have to associate this also so that we can clearly identify which puppet is this. So Kali Bahu and her husband were tied with a string. Kali Bahu and her husband were going on a honeymoon. So they were tied with a string ताकि वो दोनों खो ना जाए honeymoon पे, right? So Kali Bahu and her husband were tied with a string while they were going on a honeymoon too. Now the next code is Bombay. So imagine this couple. This couple is going to Kali Bahu with her husband is tied with a string and they are going on a honeymoon to Bombay. After reaching Bombay, now it has to be something romantic. So after reaching the hotel, the husband got romantic and he started listening to the songs of Lata Mangeshkar. Now, while he was listening to the songs of Lata Mangeshkar, he came closer to his wife. That means his doll. Wife is a doll for her husband. So he came closer to his doll and finally started looking into her पुतली, into her eyeballs. Very beautifully वो उसको निहार रहा था. लता मंगेशकर के गाने चल रहे हैं and वो अपनी डॉल के पास आया और उसको ऐसे बैठ के देख रहा है. He is enjoying, right? So what is the story? Kali Bahu was tied with her husband with a string while they were going on a honeymoon to Bombay. After reaching the hotel, the husband played the songs of Lata Mangeshkar. He got romantic and he came closer to his doll and finally he started looking into his Putli. Now you will never forget this story. For example, I'll say Bomber Lattam, Lata Mangeshkar. Oh, string puppet, Lata Mangeshkar in hotel. So they were tied with the string puppet. So like this you will, So like this you will recall them very easily. Okay, आपको अलग से time ही नहीं invest करना revision पे. Just close your eyes and just recall the whole story and the things are done. So I'll come up with more videos very soon. Stay tuned. Subscribe to our channel so that you will be notified for every video, right? Keep learning, keep enjoying. Thank you.